If you haven't made reservations or plans for Valentine's Day, don't. We've got an even better idea. Our food expert, Mary Berg, is here to show us how to create the perfect romantic dinner at home. But first, I'm in the kitchen, so I've got to give a shout-out. Hello, Mary Berg.
Hello, hello.
I got to give a shout-out to one of our viewers, Lori. She's in Fort Simpson in the Northwest Territories. She says that she makes sure to get up extra early every time we're in the kitchen, and she wants to try everything we make. So, Lori, we are sending you some your morning love, and we hope you enjoy these recipes.
Happy Valentine's Day, Lori.
Exactly.
Yeah, this is very exciting. Hello, Ben.
Hello. You look very festive.
I tried today.
All right, so you're going to show us how to make a main, a dessert, and a bevy.
A bevy. You got to have a bevy on Valentine's Day. And also, this is one of those sneaky menus where it's actually vegetarian, which I know you're.
All right.
I know, I'm
Mary
sorry,
Berg.
but it's sneaky.
All right, so show me what we're doing first.
The first thing we're doing is risotto. Again, like the things we're doing today seem tricky. I think people are scared of them, but they're actually really, really easy.
And the key, yeah, if you're going to do something for Valentine's Day, make it look like it's a big deal.
Exactly.
Even if it's not.
Yeah, just don't go all crazy, but make it look like, whoa.
Okay, so show us, what are we afraid of when it comes to risotto?
Okay, so I think the first thing is it's weird. It's rice, but you don't cook it like rice.
Right.
So here we've got some olive oil and shallot that's just been bubbling away. It's super delicious. And then we're going to add the rice. So we got to toast it.
Is it arborio rice?
It is arborio rice, which is a short grain rice, which means it's extra starchy. Do you want to stir for me?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome. So basically what you do, you want to toast that over like medium heat for about a minute.
Okay.
Because it makes like the starches come out and it's super delicious. And to make this extra romantic, we're adding your least favorite, beets.
I'm not the biggest fan of beets, but I'm the biggest fan of you.
Oh, well, thank you. Yeah.
So they really cancel each other out, so I'm going to try your beet risotto.
Well, and that's the thing. It makes it a beautiful red color. And
yes,
it's Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
You got to kind of go a little cheesy, so that's what we're doing. So that kind of gets that beautiful color out.
Yeah,
and then
it's got to tint our
Exactly. And then, as any good Valentine's meal should have, is a little bit of booze.
Hit it, Mary Berg.
Yeah.
There we go.
And then it brings out that color. And also, Ben, I don't know about you, but when I'm cooking,
of course,
I like to have a little glass of wine.
Of course, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Think. But so basically all you do for risotto is you give it a good stir and then let that wine reduce and bubble away.
Okay.
It is not as scary as people think it is. I think all of the nonas have lied to us to make it seem more difficult. But basically you stir it and then let it sit.
Okay.
And then add, every once in a while, once all of that liquid has evaporated, add some warm vegetable stock. Give it one stir, walk away.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's simple.
All this constant stirring is bananas in my opinion.
All right.
So
all right, we've got to move on a little bit
here. So that's all you need to do, and then once it's done, you get this deliciousness. And the last thing you want to do is add a little bit more stock to loosen it up a bit.
Okay.
So if you want
to
stir,
loosen this up.
Loosen it up, because there's a ton of starch in that rice.
Okay, yeah.
So we've got cheese in there.
It's thick.
It's delicious.
All right, and that's what it looks like over there.
That's what it looks like, and we want to top it with a little bit of goat's cheese, because why the heck not?
Yeah, I'm going to try this.
Or he's going in for the warm stuff, which I am a fan of.
It's not very beady.
And not beady, right?
That's
it's just
cheesier
the color.
than it is beatier.
Exactly.
I like it.
And then a little bit of microgreens, and it's delicious.
That is delicious.
And I got cheese hands. Let's do this.
Main course is done.
Yeah.
Now we need something sweet.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
So we're doing a no-bake cheesecake. Super easy.
Okay.
I like a no-bake more than a bake.
Yeah.
Nothing goes wrong anymore.
I agree. Okay, so how do we make this?
So the first thing we do is we get like sandwich cookies. So I like the vanilla ones, and I actually like it when they have the icing in the middle.
Sure. Oh, you want to keep that in there?
Yeah.
Oh, because it binds it.
Exactly. Ben, genius.
Look at that.
I don't have to be
Look
here
at
anymore.
that. Okay.
But you use that butter, mix it up, pop it into a springform pan, and then here we've got cream cheese,
sugar, vanilla.
Yeah, and a little bit of lemon juice.
And a little lemon juice.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we've got also some whipped cream.
So this is just regular cream that we, like whipping cream that we whipped up.
Exactly. And we want to kind of fold it in. So if you would fold.
I'll do that. I will do the folding.
This guy's a wizard. I'm not gonna lie.
No, I can be a good assistant. Okay,
good.
We gotta go a little quicker.
Okay, we're good. And then we load that on in.
All right.
But basically all we do is stir that up. Then we can take a little out, dye it pink if we want to make it a little romantic. Pour that into this beautiful prepared pie crust, and then you get this.
Oh yes.
Serve it. Yeah.
Just get this one.
Yeah. Okay. Wait, you could do this.
Yes, Mary Berg.
That was also
now make me a drink, please.
Okay, perfect. Oh God. I'm gonna send you to open that up. So here we have strawberries, some elderflower liqueur, so easy peasy. Pop that in, nice and pink. This is terrifying.
No, here, watch this. You got to turn the bottle. You just turn the bottle. All right, that's the key.
Okay.
Turn the bottle.
I'm gonna keep doing this.
Boom.
Whoa, Ben!
All right, this is great.
This is bonkers.
Okay, we gotta go.
Okay, we gotta go.
We're gonna enjoy this.
We're gonna have
Happy Valentine's Day to you.
Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to everybody watching, and of course, all of these recipes are on our website, yourmorning.ca.
Happy
We will be right
Valentine's.
back.
Yeah, enjoy.